Hello everyone. So today in this video I will talk a little bit about the front-end development and freelancing. And the question is the front-end development, or maybe I'm a front-end developer, I can take a full project as a freelancer. So we focus in this area on the freelancing, not on the classic job on the company. For example, you want to be front-end developer and join the company. So this does not matter right now. What I want to share with you about the freelancing. So you just get an offer from customer or client. So let's start why this field is not enough to make you more special on the freelancing, and what you make you special on the freelancing. First, you just have one skills is front end developer. So you know about how you can convert Figma into design, from design into code. So you know how to build components and you know how to build front end logic, and this is really important skills and really great, but not enough because the client would not, for example, if the project need the backend, need to be online, uh, need or require the database to store the data, persist. So this why you should to learn backend development and be full stack web developer. So you can handle all the project from the design to the front end development to the database and the backend, and finish by hosting on classic or popular provider. So and also, if you don't know the back-end development, like you don't know the database, how you can handle, you don't know the business logic, how you can build, if he can require some features, need the back-end, so you don't know because all what you know is front-end development. So this maybe you lose some opportunities because the client need the project be finished from E to Z. So this what make you lose some opportunities. So what I'm in this case? Focus on the front end, but you should to know about the back end. You should to know about these web services. You should to know how you handle the services. You should to know also about how you can design the database and how you can build the relationship. So all things about database you should to know, and also some knowledge on the operating system like Linux and specifically Ubuntu or Debian, because on the hosting you will work on Linux. So it must to know the command line, and so that is what I want to share with you. So being full stack developer is must require skills, and also I don't speak for the case that I already had. Some clients don't tell you to build project from scratch, but share the project with you that already built with some developers, and you just maybe fix bugs, maybe edit code or add features. And so when you want to add features, you want to build logic business for this feature. Like for example, if you have an online store, an e-commerce systems, and the client asks you to add the review question, review answer, so make review to the product. So after the customer make an order and successfully pay, he can add the review for this product. So if you know, if you don't know about how you can design the database, if you don't know how you can handle the back-end logic and build the business logic and the RESTful API for this feature, and if you can also implement this feature to be online, uh, you could not take uh, project like this. So you lose this opportunity, and let maybe custom this opportunity with $200. That's at least, but that's at least $200. So you just lose $200 with nothing. So try to be full stack web developer and try to become engineer or developer that can, as I tell, take project from E to Z. So you can finish the project until the end and make the client satisfaction. So this what I want to share because I just saw this post on the Reddit. Or someone post question is product developer enough to take more project. Thank you.